Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sister Gilananta, and now I want to give a language assessment final test. And first, I have a concept of indirect writing test. An indirect writing test is a method of assessing writing ability without requiring test takers to produce a full piece of writing such an essay or paragraph instead of evaluating actual written output. This type of test measure underlying linguistic knowledge and sub-skill. They are considered essential for effective writing. The assumption behind indirect writing test is that writing competence in compose, cohesion, and mechanics if learner demonstrate mastery of this component through objective test item, they are assumed to possess adequate writing ability. Indirect writing tests typically focus on recognition rather than production. Test takers select the correct answer rather than generate original text. As a result, this test emphasizes accuracy and knowledge of form rather than creativity, organization, or idea development. On the second, this is type and application of indirect writing. Uh, First, I have multiple choice grammar test. This item tests knowledge of sentence, structure, verb tense, agreement, and syntax. For the example test is choose the correct sentence. A is she go to school every day, and B she goes to school every day. The correct answer is B. And this format access says grammatical accuracy, a crucial component of writing. The second is error recognition and correction. Test taker identify error in sentence or use the incorrect part of the sentence. The method assess awareness of a common writing mistake and editing skills. Number three is sentence completion test. Learners complete sentence by selecting appropriate word or phrases. This item measure vocabulary usage, collocation, and grammatical competence. And next is types and application of indirect writing tests. This is same before. Number four, we have paraphrasing test. Students choose or produce an equivalent sentence with the same meaning. This assess synthetic flexibility and understanding of meaning relationship. Number four, we have number five, we have modified clause test. Words are deleted from a passage at regular intervals, and students select correct option. This format measure cohesion, coherence, and contextual understanding in writing. And the last one, we have editing and proofreading test. Students identify incorrect grammar, punctuation, or word choice in short text. This is especially useful in academic and professional writing assessment. And next, we have purpose and use of indirect writing tests. First is placement test to assign student to appropriate proficiency level. Second is diagnostic test to identify specific weakness in grammar or vocabulary. Third is large-scale standardized testing, where scoring reliability and efficiency are critical. And last is pre-test and post-test to measure improvement and language knowledge. They are particularly useful in contexts where time, resources, and scoring consistency are important consideration. And this is the strength effectiveness of indirect writing tests. The first is strength, is high in relatability. Two is indirect tests usually have objective scoring with reduced score bias and increased consistency. Three is efficiency. They are easy to administer and can be scored quick, often by computer. And five, broad coverage. A wide range of linguistic features can be tested within a limited time. Number seven is diagnostic value. Eight is result can pinpoint specific areas such as tense usage, article use, or sentence structure problems. 9 is practicality of for large groups. 10 is they are ideal for classes or examination involving many test takers. And this is the limitation. Number 1 is lack of communicative authenticity. Development. Number 2 is indirect tests do not reflect real-life writing tests that require immediate development and organization. Number 3 is limited measurement of writing ability for skills such as coherence, argumentation, creativity, and rhetorical recognition are not directly assessed. 5 is test weaknesses effect. Number 6 is student may perform well by test-taking strategies without having strong writing ability. 7 is a weak predictive validity. 8 is high score on indirect tests do not always correlate with the ability to write effective essay. And this is a overall evaluation and conclusion analysis case study. Indirect writing tests play a significant role in language assessment, particularly when practical constraints are present. They effectively measure linguistic knowledge and soft skills that contribute to writing competence, such as grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. However, because writing is productive and communicative skill, indirect tests cannot fully represent real writing ability. Therefore, they are best used in combination with direct writing assessment. When used together, indirect and direct methods provide a more comprehensive and balanced evaluation of a learner's writing proficiency. I will ask my friend Abian. Abian, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I sometimes watching a TV, playing video games, and sometimes I would like to help my parent doing something. And I would like to wash my motorcycle if I have a free time.
Oh,
That's it.
okay. Thank you for your answer. And now, Marvino Diaz. I want to ask you, what is a key to be a champion?
What for me?
Yeah.
How to be like me to be a champion?
Yeah, so to be like you.
You must work hard. And consistent. Consistent is key. Is key to achieve success. If you want success, you must discipline and work hard.
Discipline.
Yes. And don't forget, and pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Okay. Pray 5 times a day.
Okay, 5
times a day. Yes.